Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Guys, I just got out of the shower, and look at my arm. And look at my other arm.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no,
Person may not be present in all cases. Some people may not experience any symptoms for many years after being infected, while others may develop symptoms within a few weeks of infection. Here are 12 common symptoms of HIV. 1. Fever. 2. Fatigue.
So, how did I find out I have HIV?
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right.
On time.
It's tricky. It's the tight. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky. It's tricky. 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 It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky. Tricky. Tricky.
I met this little girlie. Her hair was kinda curly. Went to her house and bust her out. I had to leave real early.
These girls are really sleazy. All they just say is please me or spend some time in.
Suspect, umiinom lang ng gamot bago magpagtalik.
Ha? Suspect, may doctor's appointment pero inuna ang one night stand.
Suspect, may HIV pero ayaw uminom ng gamot.
Uy, hindi ah. Suspect, naturukan na gamit na syringe pero hindi nagpa-test.
Uy, iba na yan. Uy, kailangan ba natin magpa-test?
Oo, kailangan natin mag-set ng appointment.
Mukhang kailangan na natin.
Oo nga eh.
Tara na ba?
Oo,
tara.
Paano yun? May HIV ako. Anong gagawin ko?
Huwag ka mag-alala. Sa kabila ng HIV, may buhay kang matatamasa. Kailangan mo lang uminom ng mga gamot tulad ng ARV o antiretroviral drugs para bumaba ang viral load. Maaari itong makuha sa mga lokal na pagamutan, ospital, pati na rin sa iba't ibang organisasyon na lumalaban sa pagkalat ng HIV. Tandaan mo, maging responsable at ligtas upang ang sakit ay di na kumalat.
I am brushing my teeth, but I remember. Sex with multiple partners without condom. Rashes. Fatigue. Fever. Sore throat. Testing. HIV testing.